Hello guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to play Doom multiplayer on DosBox via IPX network. Playing alone with yourself gets boring sometimes, so if you have somebody to play with, it's an excellent video for you to watch. So the first thing you're going to want to do is download DosBox right here. You can see how to where and when and how to download it in my other video that I made earlier, the first video. So yeah, if you don't already have it, go in that video and download it. And so then yeah, so once you have it, you're gonna want to go into it and just open it up. Then you're also gonna want to go into options. Go into DosBox options. You're going to want to go through this text file. Just go all the way down. And then it's going to say IPX equals false. That's the default. You're going to want to go and change it into true. So then once it's IPX equals true, you can just leave. And so then go inside your DosBox. And so then Alt Enter makes it go full screen. Then you're gonna want to do well, first you want to get into your Doom directory, so I'll do that. So once you've done that, type in IPXnet. It'll come up with all these words that will execute a function once you type them in after IPXnet. And so all these commands that we're going to do begin with IPXnet. So you're going to want to, if this is the computer you're going to be starting the server from, type in IPXnet start server. So it should say IPX tunneling server started. If you do not get that, go back inside your options as we did earlier and make sure that IPX equals true. And so then once you've done that, you're gonna want you should know your IP address. And so to find out your IP address, you can just go into your command prompt, type in ipconfig, and you'll get all your the IPv4 address, which is your IP. So then, in order to connect to this, this is what the other computer that's trying to connect to your server would type. They would do IPXnet, and then they would type in your IP. So I'll just do as a mock IP, just xxx.xxx.x.x. And so they're gonna type that in and connect to your IP. So I'm gonna do that in my other computer, my client computer. And so once it's connected, you can do IPXnet status. And it should it'll come up with the status of your server, and in the list of active connections, it'll say it should say 2 connections. The first one is you, and the other one is your client that's connecting. So then once you've done that, the other computer that's gonna be playing with you, the client, then you go into setup, Doom 2. Go into run a network modem serial game, IPX compatible network. Just customize your game, configure it to your liking. You don't have to change the network socket, at least not for my computer. Then just press F10, it's gonna go. Now the other computer is gonna do the same. and they're gonna go into setup 2. They're gonna do the exact same thing. Run a network modem serial game, IPX compatible network. Make sure that all the configurations are the same as on yours, and then just press F10. Go. It'll find the node, and then you'll be connected. So there you are. Make sure that if you're in deathmatch, you specify no monsters. You can see that's my brother right there. He's typing. There he is. So yeah, that's just how to play multiplayer. DosBox. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, share this channel with your friends. Thanks for watching.